everyone. Welcome to my channel. The Golden Magne, JK, Cookie, BTS's Jungkook has many nicknames, but one of the sweetest nicknames came from Suga's father. During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, 200 ARMYs were selected at random to attend a special live event with BTS, an online pajama party. At this cozy Zoom meeting, BTS's members answered fans' questions and shared TMIs about themselves. The lucky fans who attended the live were the first to find out Jungkook's nickname. Suga's father calls Jungkook Sundungi, a word that is used to describe a pure and gentle person. It's the perfect description of this soft-hearted star, who treats everyone he meets with kindness, even this chicken. In addition to Jungkook's nickname, fans learned other TMIs including these: he eats samgyeopsal, pork belly, when he's feeling blue; he no longer has his guide for the song, Magic Shop; he likes whiskey, and he has dreamed about songwriting. What do you think? Write in the comment section. See you in the next video.